This video is going to show you how you take an STL file and turn it into a printed keyguard. So we produced an STL file from OpenSCAD, and now we're just going to take it and drag it and drop it into our slicer. In this case I'm using the Prusa edition of Slicer. You may be using an entirely different slicer program for your printer. The first step in this program is to slice the model, and then you're just going to export the G-code. This is the language that the printer understands. And I'm going to put it on an SD card. That didn't take very long, so it's now on the SD card, and we can load the SD card into the printer. The SD card is loaded. The printer is about to begin printing the keyguard. It'll take about 4 hours to print the entire keyguard. Printer is going through a leveling process, and then it will begin printing. We won't see the entire print because 4 hours is a long time, but we will come back eventually at the end to take a look at the finished keyguard. Alright, it's time to remove the keyguard from the build surface. So we'll take it, crack it, take it off. So there we have it, finished keyguard. Alright, time to see how our new keyguard actually fits. What we're going to do is we're just going to wedge it right into the case. There it is. Nice fit all the way around, and it's just not going to come out, but you can pull it out quite easily and swap in a new keyguard. All of that for about $1.